Look at that. So beautiful. Oh man, nights like these are the best nights. Hey guys, this video was actually recorded about a month and a half ago, but my granddad died at the end of April, and in May I just wasn't really feeling great, so I had a bit of a unproductive slump and didn't really have any mood to film the gardening stuff, even though I have done a bit more. So this video is quite late. The stuff that you'll see in here, like I said, was filmed about 6 weeks ago now, so I do have a lot of progress compared to where I am now. But I hope that you're all safe, I hope that you're keeping well, and thanks very much for watching my video. So my dad is cleaning up all of the sides of the garden today. Hi Dad.
Hi Emmy, alright.
How's it going?
Just struggling to get in here properly, but...
The leaves are also starting to bud on the trees, which is really nice to see. So hopefully we'll have some flowers soon. I forgot to do a video last time of my progress, but this is the progress of the vegetable patch so far. Hey guys, welcome back to episode 3 of Gardening Month. So today hopefully will be the last day that I have to amend the soil. I'm just going to break up the bigger bits of soil. I'm also going to sift through it to try and remove any last bits of roots and rocks that are in here. So having a little interlude is what my dad's been up to. He's removed a load of the dead branches and trees and bushes that were over here. This is also some of the stuff that my dad's taken away. And this is what the vegetable patch looks like right now. So you can see that it's all quite fine and it's a massive improvement on where we started. This is the final wheelbarrow full of roots that I've taken up. So I'm actually pretty proud of myself. It's a big improvement from the before and the progress and to the after. It's been really fun, and I think one of the things that a lot of people may find is that it takes a lot of time. And yeah, it does take a lot of time, but like many other things, anything that's worthwhile for me is something that you do have to dedicate a lot of time to. But I think it's such a good way, such a positive way to spend time, and I don't know why I'm doing so much hand actions right now. Really enjoying it so far, and now I'm going to get on to choosing what kind of seeds to buy, what I want to grow in here. I actually should have ordered the seeds and planned what I wanted to grow well before I started, because it takes quite a long time for the seeds to be sowed and then turn into seedlings and then to transfer into the vegetable patch, so that's completely my bad. I also found that I would find something that I wanted, but it was gonna be delivered in like a month or even December for the rhubarb. In the end, I decided to get some carrots, spring onions, broccoli and sweet corn. My dad also wanted some flowers because he took down one of the trees, and we now have some space for some flowers, which will be really nice. And we also got strawberries as well. I think we ordered 4, but we ended up getting 5 in the post. No. My glycerin has also arrived, which I'm going to use to preserve the moss that I found a couple of weeks ago. It sort of blew off from one of our roofs on the shed, and I don't know, I really love the colour of it, and I found some acorns, some twigs and some old pipstones, so I'm going to keep all of this stuff because I like the colours and I think it would be really good for flat lays. So I found an article on how to preserve moss. So this one involves 1 part glycerin and 2 parts hot water. So it says that it's relatively easy, so I'm going to attempt to do that today. So we're going to do 200 millilitres of it. To mix it.
Does it say how long you have to it takes to dissolve?
No, it just says mix it together.
Right.
and then put the batch of moss into the mixture and leave it for an hour until the mixture has completely cooled. To put in?
I think you will have to weigh it down, won't you?
Me too. And then I've got some lichen.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's it.
That's it.
Done. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 hour.
Okay, well, timer is set for 1 hour.
Now, as per the instructions, drain that away. And then it says you can actually get the moss out, squeeze any excess, and then you just put it on the tissue. So I'm just squishing it, and then you just lay it on the paper tissue, and then we just leave the moss like this, and we'll leave it for 2 to 3 days for it to dry out completely. Hey guys, I actually unboxed my seeds. So they arrived yesterday, and I've got almost everything. I've got my sweet corn, which I got 2 packets of. I've got my spring onions, my carrots, and I've got my broccoli as well. And I'm still waiting on my strawberry seeds, but I've got my 60 cell seed tray, so I think I'm gonna start sowing them. I'm still getting used to the terminology. If I am wrong about anything, please just let me know down below, because I don't want to spread misinformation. So I found out which seeds I need to plant first, and that will be the carrots. So I'm just going to take these outside right now. You're gonna come with me, and we're gonna plant these in the seed tray. Well, hey guys. So we're outside in a little shaded area. At the moment it is shaded because it is cloudy, but normally this area is really sunny, so I thought it would be perfect for planting the little seeds, or sowing the seeds. I'm not sure the correct terminology. Yet again, please correct me if I am wrong, which I most likely am. I got everything off this website from Morgan and Thompson. So the seed tray, the seeds, the flowers. It said a 3-week dispatch and turnaround time, but honestly it was a lot quicker than that. I'm not sure what type of, I'm not sure what type of compost this is, but it seems to have little holes in, so I think that's where they want me to put the seeds. And it takes about 14 days for it to germinate. So I'm just gonna put the seeds into my palm like it was done in the YouTube video I watched. And I'm just gonna put a couple in this little hole. I've actually got carrot seeds on this right hand side, but now what I need to do is I need to get some more compost and loosely spread it over the seeds that I have put out on the tray. So thank you for sticking around and watching. If you are still here, I appreciate you very much. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, comment down below if you have any advice for me, or if you just want to tell me about how rubbish my gardening skills are, and subscribe if you want to carry on with this journey with me. I also have a video which was a tribute for V-Day, but it was also a song that I wanted to sing in my granddad's funeral, but I didn't really have the courage to do it at the time, so I just dedicated the song to him. If you want to check that out, I will link it here for you at the end of the video. Yeah, I hope you're safe. Thanks for watching. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Keep smiling through, just like you always do.